meeting with people, working with people is just something that I just enjoy doing. Okay, I'm in a suburban congregation, a large suburban congregation, and I still think of myself as a country pastor. I want to get out among the people and visit the people, and so I see that an important part of my ministry is visiting people in the hospital, and I used to do it by myself before. Now I have vicars, but when somebody's in the hospital, to see them at least twice during the week, and more if necessary, but at least twice to check in and just visit with them, to pray with them, and let them know the church is there, the church cares, is an important part. Home visiting, I visited in people's homes when I can. Times have changed over the years, and there's a lot of people that really, while they welcome visits from the pastor, they don't, their time is valuable, and unless there's a need, they really, they'll see me Sunday morning, and that's it. But there are a lot of times that I'll just drop in and drive by somebody's house and see their home and just stop in for a few minutes and say hello. One of the things that I don't do a lot of is counseling. I don't feel that I'm trained well enough to do counseling, but luckily, the church through Lutheran Family Services in Topton and Lutheran Congregational Services in Allentown has great support services. And so if somebody comes to me and needs counseling, I'll meet with them once or twice and I say, look, let me get you a phone number and let you call somebody else, and I'll refer you to them, and they can do a better job. Preaching, I enjoy preaching. Luckily, I enjoy preaching because we do certainly a lot of that done. One of the things I've been enjoying for the past 7 years is mentoring seminarians. We've been part of the intern program for 7 years now, and to take young people in, and the congregation enjoys doing that too. They see themselves as a teaching congregation. They see themselves as a learning environment, and they're willing to take young seminarians in and help them grow and nurture and so forth. And there's sometimes that the seminarian will preach a sermon, and people will leave the congregation shaking their heads a little bit, but they still accept it. And they know that the young person is going to grow during the year. Meetings challenge me. I don't like sitting in meetings. So if there's a meeting, it's got to be held. Let's sit there. Let's get the job done. Let's get out of here. There's other things I'd rather do. Those are that's the one thing that bothers me the most. But even our church council meetings around here are usually fun. We have a good time at church council, and we try to. Although you spend some time at church council speaking about money and money concerns and so forth, we try to also make sure we're talking about ministry concerns that are happening also, and so that's always a treat to talk about with people about what's going on around here that's good. Where do you need help to reach out to others and so forth.